Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Man, listen, today was a bloody day. If your portfolio was red today, like this video, because man, today I really felt it with all the shares of Palantir that I have, some of the shares of Square that I have. I feel like we have not touched the bottom yet. We got some more downside to go. If you guys take a look at the S&P today, we are definitely at a key level. We are at the 100-day moving average. We actually closed right on the 100-day moving average. What does that mean? Honestly, I think tomorrow it could be a bounce day or it could be bloody. Could be, if we break this 100-day moving average, I could see us hitting 440 or reverse. If we zoom out, let's zoom out a little bit. We have been bouncing around. These some little short bounces. And if you look, I'm not a really big technical analysis type of guy. I do know some buzzwords like head and shoulders. I mean, if you look, like we definitely hit a shoulder, a little bitty head and a shoulder. And we at the 100-day. And it looks like we might be breaking that. And if we break that, then we're going to have to find some support. And our next support, which, 440, that's $15. That's what, that's about a 3% move. That's a good 3%. Down here to 440. We can do that, in a week, like next week. And if we do that, welcome to the bear market, because that's what it look like we heading right now. And like I said in my previous videos, we have to really get used to accumulating lots of stocks and just accumulating them like they Pokemon cards or whatever. Just have them in our portfolio, just stacking away, because this year, next year might be down years. Or it could be a small gain year, and a small gain year next year with all the rate hikes, getting everything back to normal. Guys, I don't know, man. You guys let me know what you think. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section. What do you guys think this year and next year is going to be? Honestly, I feel like it's going to be between about a 6% return either way. Like 6% down or 6% up. I don't think it's going to be too much higher than that. But you guys let me know what you think. Just my prediction. And now we got SoFi. SoFi is on the list today. Now, in my last video, I was telling you guys that I was going to purchase some SoFi. I was definitely looking at it. And I didn't purchase no SoFi today. And I should have purchased some SoFi today, because now they up $2 in the afternoon. On some news. Hold on, let's pull up this article. So according to CNBC, SoFi stock soars after clearing final regulatory hurdle to become a bank. Why didn't I buy this stock today? Oh, man. Let's just take a peek at it now. It came up to what? About $14.07. So right now it's roughly at it's just under the 30-day. This 30-day that I have. So it's just about right here. That thing can fade. It's only 16% is definitely a lot, but that can definitely fade back into the zone. I really want to see what's going to happen. If this is going to stick, is it going to have some follow through tomorrow? I'm ready to see. I should have bought some today, at least some options, because those options are going to be, whoa, man. Those options. Let's look at the option chain. So if we look at the calls for this was, oh my God, how many people were holding these? Wow, there were a fuck ton of people holding. Oops, excuse my language. There was a lot of people using these. A lot of people had these open right now. Dang, oh man. I wish I would have got some. FOMO is real, guys. Let y'all know. If y'all ain't never felt FOMO before, FOMO is real. But one thing you can't do is chase. If you chase, that's how you end up getting burned. So, in a big move like this, you kind of want to wait until it comes down a little bit. Then again, people might pile in. We just have to see tomorrow morning what happens. All right. And then we got DWAC on the list. DWAC has literally been doing amazing for me in my portfolio. I have 10 shares at $57.89, small little position, and I'm kind of swinging it, but I'm thinking I might keep these. I'm really thinking about keeping these shares. I like how this is going. I mean, I might start trimming some though a little bit, start actually putting this into other stocks, maybe just holding it. We'll see, but DWAC today was up 21%. So DWAC is getting closer and closer to the merge with President Trump and his brand and taking it public. So it's getting a lot of chatter, it's getting a lot of attention, and a lot of people are acquiring shares. It's a lot of people just running into DWAC right now, getting ready for that release, getting ready to see that platform, that social media company. I mean, honestly, guys, what do you think about, the whole DWAC social media thing with Donald Trump? Like, what is going to be the name of the application? I've actually heard some news that on the platform, you're not able to talk bad about Donald Trump on the platform or something like that. That's not something that is allowed. And do you think that this app or this social media, this new platform, will actually get users? Will it keep users? Will it take users away from Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and all that? And do you think it's going to actually stick around? I mean, I'm curious, to see, I mean, honestly, it just, there's a lot of competition when it comes to social media platforms for you to jump in, even though you got Donald Trump's name behind it. I mean, and you're probably going to get a lot of tweets or whatever they're going to call the feed. You're going to get a lot of information from Donald Trump. But do you guys really believe that this is going to compete with the big dogs? I mean, I'm curious to see. Make sure you guys leave it down in the comment section and let me know. But DWAC, I'm still holding on to my shares. Let's see what it do tomorrow. It's currently down 2%, $2. I mean, that's really nothing. I can withstand some of that. I'm just going to hold on to it and see what it do. And now we got mighty old Palantir. This is one of my heaviest weighted. This is like really a risk. I'm just taking a risk with this one. And we are not even oversold yet, which is kind of sad. Because if we was oversold, then I would say, hey, it could reverse soon, but we're not even in oversold territory right now. If we pull it back to the week chart, I mean, we have definitely broken every support line that I have. When it comes to the moving averages, I mean, if you look here, we are this doesn't look good. I feel like we have a lot more downside. We could probably see 12 on this. I don't know if I should sell my shares. I don't even know. This is crazy, but I'm holding on to it for now. I'm thinking long term. Definitely thinking long term. Just not even going to look at that. So with BBIG, this looks like a squeeze. This looks like some type of squeeze. It looks like the name of this company is actually Zash. It's changed in October. It's not being reflected yet. And it's just a holdings company with ownership in several consumer and digital marketing brands. Yeah, this is a SPAC, looks like. And right now it's squeezing. It's starting to squeeze. So if you guys got in at BBIG, good luck to you. I definitely did not play that. I definitely watched it though and seen what it was doing. And I just kind of paid attention to it. I never really dived in. So tomorrow I'm looking at some key stocks here. I trade a plethora of stocks, but I'm really gonna be looking at the SPY. The SPY is looking like it's in a very, very dangerous territory, testing this 100-day moving average. If you look at the week, it's testing my 30-day moving average here that I have. And then if we pull it back on the hour, we having some death crosses, looks like. A lot of moving averages are about to cross to the downside. So I might get a small put play, something on the weekly that I could play for the week and just get some profits here. If we take a look at my account, you guys know that I'm doing a challenge. I think I might just stick to doing that on Fridays and just do stock news and stuff like that throughout the week. But let's see. Let's go to my account. Oops. All right. So if you look at my account today, I'm down 1%. DWAC really held me up today. If it wasn't for DWAC, man, I would really be down because Palantir killed me today. Square really didn't kill me, but I was down 3% on Square today and 6% on Palantir. So I'm taking a beating. I also have a lucid put right now because of the stock lockup that they have. I think that expires today or tomorrow. So I'm holding on to that. This expires on the 28th. So I'm just going to hold on to it and see what happens. I should have held on to my firm puts because they would be in the money right now. I sold out too early. Man, sometimes I just get paper hands. I get paper handed. And I ended up getting out of option trades that would go up thousands of percent. So I'm working on holding on to plays and not getting paper handed out. But anyways, guys, if you made it this far, man, like the video, man, subscribe, and I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. Peace.